Hello and Savasdikap everyone. I'm Robin Schroeter, your German actor and acting coach, coming at you from Bangkok, Thailand, where I've been living the film dream for over 20 years. Welcome back to my channel. If you loved hearing why I moved to Thailand last week, you're going to love this. Today I'm giving you a sneak peek inside our Acting for Film course at MasterClass Studio. What you'll learn to kickstart your acting career right here in the lovely Bangkok, Thailand. It's packed with fun, skills, and a bit of movie magic. Subscribe and hit the bell for weekly tips. And action! Let's roll. So why take our course? Well, I've been where you are. I moved to Bangkok 20 years ago with big acting dreams and no clue how to start. Through hustle, a bit of luck, and a lot of learning, I landed roles in films like The Last Full Measure, The Creator, and I coached an actress to the Grimme Preis win for Patong Girl. My first gig, a wild artistic gig with all-soul production that got me a work visa. Talk about a start. I also studied hard, earning 2 master's degrees, one in business administration and one in directing from Chulalongkorn University. Now, I pour all that experience into MasterClass Studio, teaching you the skills and tricks I used to make it into finance film industry. This course is getting you your shortcut to getting noticed. Let's get to the good stuff. First up, scene work. You'll dive into performing for the camera, whether it's a Thai soap opera or a Hollywood blockbuster. We do hands-on practice, so you're ready for any set. I learned this the hard way. My first scene was a mess until I nailed the camera angles. Second, improvisation. This is huge for auditions. I used to improv to stand out in Haphazard, and you will learn how to think on your feet and wow the directors. Third, we cover industry know-how. We have industry professionals coming here to teach you, like the director Kusip or casting director August, who have worked in the industry for more than 20 years. Plus, on top of that, the Acting for Film course will give you material for your showreel. And, like any course, and on top of all of that, you get to network with Bangkok's film pros. I met producers through student films, and now you can too. We teach Thai set etiquette, so easy things like whying, or how to behave, or how to treat the cameraman that is doing his job so brilliantly. Thank you so much, guy. You train with me. And amazing instructors like Bun Saknak Po, a Thai film legend. Our students, they've gone on to book commercials, films, you name it. This course is your launchpad. Like Imi, she booked a role for Vampire Diaries. Or Alexander, who booked his first commercial, his first big commercial here in Thailand after the course. This course really is your launchpad. So who is this course for? Anyone with an acting dream. Whether you're a total beginner, an expat like me, or a pro looking to break into Thailand's film scene, this is for you. I was a newbie once, fumbling through student films to build my network, and it worked. You'll walk away with a showreel to impress casting directors, confidence to nail auditions, and connections to Bangkok's film world. One of my students landed a commercial right after our course because she met a producer at our showcase. My master's in directing taught me how to shine on set, and I'm passing that magic on to you. Ready to jump in? Thailand is waiting. And that's a wrap for our Acting for Film course. Book your ticket to Bangkok's film scene, ready to act. Drop your question about the course in the comments. I read every one of them. Subscribe and hit the bell for more tips to chase your dreams. Enroll now at masterclass-studio.com and reach me online at Robin Schroeter or robin@masterclass-studio.com. Next week, I'm tackling your biggest acting challenges. Don't miss it. Thank you so much and Sawadee Krap. Bye-bye.